am from International Airlines BD agent. We provide people in the top airlines of the world. In international airlines, not just Bangladesh, it is also possible to make high income with respect, not only glamour. It is possible for young people to work at Airhostess on behalf of their families. We are increasingly becoming profession and compete with the international aircrafts. Name of our post: cabin crew, air hostess, flight manager, tourist guide, flight attendants, receptionist, air nurse, airline administrative aide, airline flight instructor, e-ticket booking. If you are interested to doing the job, then contact with us by WhatsApp or phone in this number 0131886296 or email us at internationalairbd@gmail.com. Thank you.